Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to reset the brake wear warning on an F10 5 Series BMW. So obviously you start off by getting in the car. Oh, yeah. Right, so the car we've got today is a 2011 BMW 520 diesel, and when you turn the ignition on it comes up with the warning to say have the brake pads checked. Brake pads. The car has had a new set of front brake pads, and we've also changed the sensor. If you don't change the sensor, you will be unable to reset the handbrake warning. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the ignition's on, which it is. The engine management light is on. And you're going to then put your foot on the brake, turn off the handbrake, make sure the handbrake is off. Obviously make sure it's safe to do so. I usually just leave the car in gear so it doesn't roll anywhere. And then you're going to want to put your finger on the trip reset, hold it in, keep on holding it until you see reset front brake pads. Depending on what needs resetting, this may or may not come up first. So if you want to flick to the next item, literally just press the trip button again and then it will tell you what else needs doing. So on this car, all that needs resetting is the front brake pads. So to reset it, you're going to want to hold that in. Hold that in until it says perform reset. And then when it says perform reset, let go and then press it again and hold. Keep on holding. Keep on holding, and there you go, reset successful. So now we'll turn the car off and I'll actually start the car up, and it will say service due in 15